Hi, I'm Amber Brewer. Welcome to my new listing at 149 Kenneth Street in Santa Cruz. This beautifully revived mid-century modern home is a really special place to call home. I'd love to show it to you, so follow me. This design style was first made popular between 1949 and 1966, and it's made a big comeback in recent years. Da Vinci said, "The ultimate sophistication is simplicity," and that is exactly what you have here. Clean lines, soaring ceilings, and this design aesthetic was built on the foundation of bringing the outdoors in. So that is exactly what has been accomplished here. Look at these views. Floor to ceiling windows and just tons of light coming into this home. Impeccably remodeled. Look at these beautiful soapstone countertops. And you have high-end stainless steel appliances and stained concrete flooring throughout. There's beautiful touches at every turn and luxury in every detail. This home has 3 bedrooms and 1.5 bathrooms, thoughtfully designed with large trough sinks and custom tile work. The oversized windows continue throughout, flooding the house with tons of natural light. This beautiful patio is surrounded by tranquil landscape and this incredible low-maintenance yard. There's loads of citrus trees. We have lemons and oranges and blueberries. This part of the garden offers an amazing relaxation and meditation space, and at the heart of that is this beautiful fountain. And this is the perfect spot to get away from the hustle and bustle of life. This home has it all: style, sophistication, the definitive of indoor-outdoor living space, and a highly sought-after location.